Hello, this is Greg Schendel, Service Advisor at Terry Tinsky's Royal Ford here in Yorkton. We hope and pray that you and your family are safe and sound and continue to be healthy. We remain to be open to serve essential services for the community like the RCMP and the ambulances for all customers that rely on their vehicles. We understand the need to stay home, so we are offering complimentary pickup and delivery of vehicles that need servicing. We will return your vehicle with all the touch points cleaned and disinfected. To book a service appointment, please call 306-801-7752 or go to the website www.royalford.ca and click on Book an Appointment under the Service and Parts tab.